Hi guys, it's me UBprogrammer, and today we're gonna detect some negative people on Twitter, and we're gonna do the analysis on some famous personalities from India, right? And if you're working on any custom project, do let me know on the WhatsApp or mail if you want some help about it, or you can just fill out this form so that I can reach out to you within 24 hours. Okay, let's get started with the today's video. Twitter sentiment analysis, and it's gonna analyze tweets in the real time. Okay, and first let me show you the demo, then I'll talk about the coding in a bit. So we have to give the Twitter handle and number of tweets. First, let's search for top 10 Twitter accounts in India, and basically these are the accounts, and I can get the list from this link here. It's gonna give me the link of these accounts. First is obviously Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India, and what we are doing is copy their username or Twitter handle from the Twitter, then paste it here in the Twitter handle section. Number of tweets, I'll keep it as 30 so that it can uh, get some idea, and I'll just do the analysis now. Let's Okay, so 30 is good, I think. Analyze, and now it will grab these tweets from. Okay, so he's really positive guy, guys. He just posted how many negative tweets? You can just count it here. One, two, only two or three negative tweets. That's like really positive, yeah. So you can see there are the real time tweets, and you can just check out these tweets also in the real time, yeah. Let me just show you. So inaugurated new, yeah. Let me see if we get something here, yeah. So he just posted it 5 hours ago, and we're getting in real time. On the 30 tweets, it's analyzing. Okay, let's do the same thing with the next personality, which is Amitabh Bachchan, yeah. Salman Khan, okay. Salman Khan, yeah. Being Salman Khan is the Twitter handle. I can use app again. It will redirect me to the home page, and you can obviously do the front end or designing according to you. Gonna analyze 30 tweets from him. Let's analyze, and you can see it has, I think, more or similar to negative tweets, yeah, than the Mr. Modi. Okay, so you can just like do these with any of these Twitter handles, and the main thing is analyzing whether the person is tweeting negative tweets or positive tweets. So this is the objective of this project, and the coding part is here. You can just get this folder from the description. It will be like complete folder, and but before that, make sure you signed up for the Twitter API, because uh, they give access to like accounts after, like, I guess, talking to them on the mail. So do search it out and get your Twitter API keys so that you can replace it in the actual project, or you can just contact me for any guidance about this in the WhatsApp or mail. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and please subscribe the channel if you want some more content, some more projects related to AI ML DL. Okay, and I'll meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.